Hello scholars, today we are going to start new chapter, that is chapter number 4, factors. What is factors? See, in this one picture is showing on your screen. In this one, 8 blocks and it is in one line. Clear? So this 8 we can write like this. After that, this we can write like this in two line 4 blocks, that also be 8. So 1 into 8 is 8 and 2 into 4 is 8. Clear? So 1, 2, 4 and 8 are all factors of 8. The numbers that are multiplied to find a product are called factors. What is factors? The number that are multiplied to find a product are called its factor. See the factor of 8, that is 1, 2, 4 and 8. And factor of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. It means these are the numbers are the factor of 12. In this one, the next is what is common factor. Common factor means that number will come in both the numbers. See, in this one, 1, 2 and 4. So these are the common factors of 8 and 12. Clear? How to write factors in multiplication or in division? See, 1 into 20 is 20, 2 into 10 is 20, and in 3, the 3, 20 will not come, so we don't have to write. Then 4 into 5 is 20. Clear? Same for division. So, the factor of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. So, these are the factors of 20. See the remember, 1 is the factor of every number. If we are not having any factor, it means 1 should be there. It is also the smallest factor of the number. 1 is the smallest factor of the particular number. Every number is a factor of itself. Every number is factor of itself means like 2. 2 factor of 2 is 1 and 2. 3 factor of 3 is 1 and 3. It is also the greatest factor of that number. Third, the factor of a number is less than or equal to the number. Clear? So it is equal to means that suppose the factor of 8, 1, 2, 4 and 8. So in this one, it could be less than or equal to that number. Next, every number other than 1 has at least 2 factor, 1 and the number itself, like 2. Like 2. So the factor is 1 and 2. Clear? Next, rules of divisibility. In this one, these are the some rules which help you to find which numbers divide others without leaving any remainder. It means these are the rules we can use in this one. Remainder will not be there. First one, a number is divisible by 2. It means the rule is if the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Example 32, 90 and 116. The last number is 2, last number is 0 and the last number is 6. So in this one, this can be divisible by 2. Next is 5. If the last digit is 0 and 5, easily we can say that this is the rule for 5. So 40, 70 and 920. Next 10. If the last digit is 0, like 10, 20, 30, 40, 100, 90, 190. So these are the numbers for divisible by 10. Next, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. For example, 72. 72 means 7 plus 2. It means 9. 9 can come in table of 3? Yes. One example is given here, that is 84. 84 means 8 plus 4. It means 12. So 12 in 3 table, 12 is coming? Yes. Next, for 9, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, it means in 9 table only will come, like 9, 18, 27, like this. So 81. 81 means 8 plus 1 means 9. So 9 can come in 9 table? Yes. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the last two digits is divisible by 4 or end with 00. Okay, these are the examples for 4. Next, if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Example 24, 72, 84. So, what is the rule for 2? That last number should be even. And what is the rule for 3? The sum of all the digits divisible by 3. So, that is for 6. Got it? Now, we'll start exercise 4a. Circle the numbers. So, we have to find that divisible by 2. So, what is the rule for 2? The last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. In this one, we will observe and then we can circle it. Now, next is divisible by 5. What is the rule for divisible by 5? The last, it means unit place, will be 0 and 5. For 10, the last digit will be 0. Divisible by 3. It means we have to find the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Next, for 9, in this one, sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Then for 4, in this one, last 2 digit is divisible by 4 or end will 0. And the 6 means it could be divisible by 2 as well as 3. This question I have done. So this second question, complete the table. One has been done for you. In this one, 2 more I have done. Rest you will do it yourself. Like this you can find out. Next one, prime and composite number. What is prime number and what is composite number? Prime numbers more than 1 that have only 2 factors are called prime number. Only 2 factors. So that we can say that it is a prime number. And if it is more than 2 factors, so we can say that composite number. For example, 5. 5 having 2 factors, 1 and 5. Clear? 2. 2 is having 2 factors, 1 and 2. 3. 3 is having 2 factors, 1 and 3. So these are the prime numbers. And the smallest prime number is 2. What is composite number? Having more than 2 factors. Clear? Like the smallest composite number is 4. So, in 4, how we will write the factors of 4? 1, 2 and 4. So, these are the factors of 4. It means 4 is the smallest composite number. Got it? Next, prime factorization. What is prime factorization? It means when we solve any number or when we broken any number, at last we want prime number. That is known as prime factorization. See, all composite numbers can be broken up into their factors. Clear? Composite number means more than 2 factors. Got it? See, in this 20, how we will write? 20 is the composite number. How we will write? This we can break down 2 into 10. Okay. Then this 2 remains same because 2 is the smallest prime factor. This 10 we will write 2 into 5. So these are the all prime numbers. In this one, after that no number will come. So when the factors are all prime, it is the prime factorization of the number. Clear? Next, beginning with the smallest prime number. Clear? This is one method. Just now I have solved. One more method is there, using any two method as a starting point. Clear? So in this one, the second method to solve, and this is third method to solve. In this one, 36, this table of 3, directly we can write 3 into 12 is 36. Now this 3 is the prime number. So after this no number will come. So we will write as it is 3 and 3. This 12. How this 12 we will write? 2 into 6. This 2 is the prime number. So this 2 remains same. How this 6 will write? 2 and 3. So now these are the prime numbers. So how we will arrange? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. In this one, this is third method to solve. 36. We know that 6 into 6 is 36. This 6 we will write 2 into 3. 6 we will write 2 into 3. So same thing we arrange. Same thing we will arrange 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Got it? Now we start exercise 4b. Use any method you prefer to prime factorize these composite numbers. Clear? So we can use any method. First one is 51. Come in 2 table. Always we start from 2, 3 like this. So now we start from 3. So 3 into 17 is 51. So the factor is 51 is 3 into 17. Next, 60. How 60 we will write? 2 into 30. This 2 remains same. Then this 30 we will write 2 into 15. This 2 remains same. 15 we will write 3 into 5. Got it? Next is 90. 2 into 45. This 2 remains same. 45 3 into 15. This 3 remains same. 15 is 3 into 5. So we have to arrange like this. Or other method also we can solve. 32. 32 means 8 into 4, 32. So now this 4 we will write 2 into 2 is 4, and this 8 we will write 2 into 4. This 2 remains same, this 2 remains same, and this 2 remains same. So this 4 we will write 2 and 2. Got it? So we have to write like this. 32 equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Clear? This is the answer. Next, 81. We know that 81 is 9 into 9, 81. So this 9 we will write 3 into 3 and 3 into 3. So how to write 81? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Got it? Next, question number 2. Write the prime factorization. If the number is already prime, write the word prime number. If that number will not factorize, so we will write directly prime number. See the first one, 61. 61 is the prime number because it is not coming in any of the table. So we will write as a prime number. Next is 76. So we start from 2. So 2 into 38 is 76. This 2 remains same. And this 38, how we will write? 2, 19. So the total, or we can arrange like this, 2 into 2 into 19. Got it? Now 21. How to write 21? 3 into 7. And its D question 43. 43 is the prime number. Now the next topic is highest common factor, or we can say that in short HCF. The full form of HCF is highest common factor. Common factor, just now we have learned. What is factor? The numbers that are multiplied to find a product are called its factor. And the common factor means when we compare two factors. In this one, what is the common factors? That is known as common factors. See, in this one, factors of 12. Clear? So factors of 12, first we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the factors of 12. It means in this number 12 is coming. Factors of 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. It means in this number 18 is coming. So we will make it like this. After that, what are the common numbers? In this one, common number is 1, 2, 3 and 6. These are the common factors of 12 and 18. In this one, we have to find the highest. Highest means biggest, greatest. These are the same word. So highest common factor of 12 and 18 is 6. Clear? Next, to find HCF using prime factorization. So here are the three examples. Let us see the first one. Find the HCF of 24 and 32 using prime factorization. So first 24 and 32. So first we can find the prime factorization. At this factorization we can say that tree method also. So that will come 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. And this 32, how we will write? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Clear? So in this one, this and this. So these three are the common. It means 2, 2 and 2. So after this we will multiply it. So the answer will come 8. So HCF of 24 and 32 is 8. Same method, but in this one, in this 2 into 5, 2 into 2 into 3 and 3 into 5, no number is common. So we will write as HCF is 1. Clear? And find the HCF of prime number. 11 and 13 both are prime numbers. So in this one also HCF has to be 1. Clear? Next. Exercise 4C. In this one, first question. First find the common factors of these numbers, then marked their HCF. Just now that circle question we have done, the same thing we will do it here. 9 and 15. So the factor of 9 is 1, 3 and 9, and the factors of 15, 1, 3, 5 and 15. So in this one, what are the common factors? 1 and 3 are the common factor, and the HCF means highest common factor is 3. Next is 8 and 16. So what are the factors of 8? 1, 2, 4 and 8. 16, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Common factors are 1, 2, 4, 8. Clear? So highest factor is 8. Question number 2. Complete that HCF chart. Do it yourself in your textbook. Third question. These numbers have already been factorized for you. Find the HCF of the given pairs. So these are already given. The factor of 20 is 2 into 2 into 5. Factor of 16 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Factor of 14 is 2 into 7. And the factor of 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 27 is 3 into 3 into 3. And 40 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So the first question is 20 and 40. So how to find factor? It is already there. So 20 means 2 into 2 into 5 and 40 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So in this one, first we have to find the HCF. So see, this 2 common, this 2 common and this 5 common. So what is the HCF? HCF is 20. Same here, 20 is 2 into 2 into 5, 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So HCF is this 2 and this 2 is common. So HCF will be 4. Next, 27 and 40. 27 is 3 into 3 into 3 and 40 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So in this one, no number is common. So we will write as 1 is the HCF. Last question of this chapter. Find the HCF of these using the prime factorization method. So in this one, I will tell you two methods. Any one you can use it. First, 6 and 8. So the first, what are the factors of 6? That is 2 into 3. Clear? And 10 is 2 into 5. So what is the HCF? HCF means highest common factor 2. 16 and 8. 16 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. So these are the common. It means 8. 15 and 25. 3 into 5, 5 into 5. Common is 5. This is one method. And one more method is there for finding HCF. In this one, 16 and 48. So we can find separate this prime factorization of 16 and 48. This 2 table, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Same here, 2 24 times 48, and if you have problem you can divide like this and then you can find. Okay, then 2 into 12 is 24, 2 into 6 is 12, 2 into 3 is 6, 3 into 1 is 3. So in this one, 16, 2, 2, 2 and 2, 48, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 3. So these are the common. It means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That will come 16. Same here. 28 and 36. So 28 we start from 2 table. 2 into 14, 28. 2 into 7, 14 and 7 into 1, 7. 36 is 2 into 18, 36. 2 into 9, 18. 3 after this 9. In this 9 it will not go by 2 table. So that's why we took 3. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Clear? So this 22 how we will write? 2 into 2 into 7, and this 36 how we will write? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And what is the HCF? This 2 and 2 common, so 2 2 is a 4. After this, let's see recap. In this chapter, what we have learned: factors, then common factors, then rules of divisibility by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 10. Then prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? The number having only two factors, that is known as prime number. Composite number having more than two factors is known as composite number. And prime factorization, after solving the number, at last we get prime number, that is known as prime factorization. What is highest common factors? After factorization, we will find the common factor. After this, the highest value means the greatest and the biggest number is known as highest common factor. After this, for worksheet, you can refer a link given in the description box. Goodbye.